Namaste to all of you. Differential equations. This is the third class. In the second class, I given formation of a differential equation. Formation of a differential equation means there are few steps involved to form a differential equation. First of all, the first step is number of parameters. First, we have to observe number of parameters in the given equation. How many parameters are there? First, we have to observe that one. In the second step, how many parameters are there? That much number of times you have to differentiate the given equation. Then in the third step, from the given equation, after differentiation, you will get a few equations. By using all these equations, we have to eliminate the parameters. Eliminate the parameters. These are the steps involving in the formation of a differential equation. Now, one example I will give. xy equals to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. They will give like this. Form the differential equation corresponding to the curve xy equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x, where a comma b are parameters. They will mention like this. Now listen. So in this equation, xy equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. This is the first equation. So in the data, a comma b are the parameters they given you. So a comma b parameters means how many parameters are there? This is one parameter, this is the second parameter. So here two parameters are there. So we have to differentiate two times this equation and we have to eliminate a comma b. So first one, differentiate the equation. If I differentiate the equation, what I can get? X derivative 1 y plus x into y derivative y dash equal to a into e power x, here b into e power minus x into minus x derivative minus you will get it. This is the second equation. Now one more time you can differentiate. Again, if you differentiate this equation, then what you will get? Y dash plus, again here uv formula, derivative of uv formula, x derivative 1, so y dash plus x into y double dash equal to a into e power x minus b into e power minus x derivative e power minus x into minus 1 becomes plus. Now which implies here you will get 2y dash plus x into y double dash equal to, what is this value here? A into e power x plus b into e power minus x means nothing but xy is the value from the data. So replace here xy is the value. Replace here xy. So here 2y dash plus x into y double dash equal to xy. If you simplify, x into y double dash means d square y by dx square is the value, plus 2 into dy by dx value minus xy equal to 0. So this is the differential equation corresponding to the given equation xy equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. So here two parameters they mentioned. So two times you differentiate the equation. After two times differentiation, you are eliminating these a b values and you will get one equation like this, which is not involving the parameters. So this is the formation of the differential equation. With one more example I will explain. Here the example is, find the differential equation whose family of curves given by c into y plus c whole square equal to x cube. This is the value. C into y plus c whole square equal to x cube. Form the differential equation. Form dE corresponding to this curve. They are given where c is the parameter. C is the parameter. So here c is the parameter means you have to differentiate. Only one parameter is there. So differentiate this equation one time. After differentiation, you have to delete this c value. Then you will get the differential equation. Okay, we will do. So here the given equation, c into y plus c whole square equal to x cube. This is the first equation. Now differentiate one time. If I differentiate the value c into, what is the derivative for this one? 2 into y plus c into y dash equal to 3x square. This is the second equation. So one time we differentiation we did. After differentiation I will get this one. Now my aim is to eliminate the c value. Now here listen. Equation 1 by 2 I will do. Whatever the method you can do. Our aim is here in this we have to eliminate the parameter c. So here I will do one equation by second equation. Then what is the value? C into y plus c whole square by here 2c into y plus c into y dash equal to x cube by 3x square is the value. C get cancel. 1 y plus c cancel. Then here x square this cancel. Then here you will get y plus c by 2y dash equal to x by 3. From this one y plus c equal to 2x y dash by 3. From this c is equal to what is the value? 2x y dash by 3 minus y. Now here replace this c value in the given equation. So replace c in the equation number 1. What is equation number 1? C into y plus c whole square equal to x cube. By replacing c value like this I can get 2x y dash by 3 minus y into y plus c value again 2x y dash by 3 minus y whole square equal to x cube. Then after if you simplify and replace y dash is equals to dy by dx, then you will get the differential equation corresponding to the given curve, this one. Okay, and one more example I will give. Form the differential equation corresponding to the family of the curves. Here they given y is equals to a into e power 3x plus b into e power x, where here they given a comma b are parameters. This is the value they given. Form the differential equation corresponding to the curve y is equals to a into e power 3x plus b into e power x. So according to given data, here a comma b, these two are the parameters. So these two are the parameters means how many times we have to differentiate the equation? 2 times we have to differentiate and eliminate a comma b. So this is the first equation, e power 3x plus b into e power x. Now y dash equal to, what is y dash value? 3a e power 3x means a into e power 3x derivative e power 3x into 3 plus b into e power x. Now first eliminate e power x value. How you can eliminate? Equation 1 minus 2. If I did 1 minus 2, then what I can get here? Y minus y dash equals to minus 2a e power 3x. These two get cancelled. Okay, so till now I completed one time derivation. Okay, this is the new equation 3, let it be. Now here two parameters are there, a comma b, two parameters. My aim is I have to do 2 times differentiation. Already one time I completed. Okay, now one more time you can differentiate this equation. Then what is the value? Y dash minus y double dash equals to minus 2a into e power 3x derivation, e power 3x into 3. So I can get y dash minus y double dash equals to minus 2a into 3 into e power 3x is the value. Now with this one, this a into e power 3x, what is the value? Y dash minus y double dash by minus 6 equal to a into e power 3x. Now you can replace a into e power 3x value in this third equation. Okay, if you replace a into e power 3x value as y dash minus y double dash by minus 6 value, here if you replace, then automatically you will get the differential equation. And here what are the notations? y double dash means d square y by dx square is the value. Y dash equals to what is the value? dy by dx. Okay, for our convenience we are giving y dash and y double dash. But what is y double dash? D square by dx square. Y dash value as dy by dx. Now the same bit in one more method also I will explain. Second method for this one. What is the given equation? Form the differential equation. Y is equals to a into e power 3x plus b into e power x is the value. So here the same method, 2 times differentiation, that is the previous method. In the second method, determinant method, this one, of course you will get easily, you will get the answer. So delta of y, a coefficient d power 3x, b coefficient d power x. 2 times I have to differentiate. So 1 time differentiation, y dash here I can get 3 into e power 3x, and here e power x is the value. 1 time differentiation completed. One more time differentiate this row, means y double dash I can get 9 into e power 3x I can get, and here e power x is the value, equal to 0. Whenever e power some value, if they given like this, 2 arbitrary values are there, 2 parameters are there, then you can proceed this method, comparative point of view, useful method, this one. So after that, here what is the method? Y as it is, a coefficient d power 3x, b coefficient d power x, then differentiate this row. Y derivation y dash, e power 3x derivation 3 into e power 3x, e power x derivation e power x. One more time differentiate these values, here I can get. Then expand this det value. If I expand this det value, y into what is the value here? It is 3 into e power 4x minus 9 into e power 4x is the value. Next minus y dash into, this is the value, e power 4x minus 9 into e power 4x is the value. Last value plus y double dash into, what is the value here? It is e power 4x minus 3 into e power 4x equal to 0. So if I simplify this value, y into, here what I can get? Minus 6 into e power 4x I can get here, minus y dash into, here I can get minus 8 into e power 4x I can get, plus y dash into, here minus 2 into e power 4x is equals to 0. In each value e power 4x is common that value. Then minus 6y plus, here it is the value, plus 8y dash minus 2y double dash equal to 0. Means if I common minus also, 6y plus 8 into dy by dx plus, here it will be minus, plus 2 into d square y by dx square is equal to 0. So these are the bits basing on the formation of differential equation. The first step is how many parameters are there, we have to cross check. Second step, that much number of times we have to differentiate. Then in the third step, from the given equation, after differentiation you will get a few equations. From these equations eliminate the parameters. After eliminating the parameters, you will get one equation like this, which is known as the differential equation corresponding to the given curve.